Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about general knowledge question on Assam. This is a part 3 of this series and I have started series of videos in which you can get the general knowledge question on Assam. So you are watching Assam General Knowledge. Let's get started. The Assam region was separated from Bengal Presidency as northeast frontier in which year? Option A 1874, option B 1879, option C 1861, and option D 1826. And the correct answer is option A 1874. Question number 2 is the illustration work of the medieval Assamese text Hasti Vidya Nava was done by option A Suryakari Daivagya, option B Sukumar Borkhait, option C Dibar Dosai, and option D Rama Saraswati. And the correct answer is option B Sukumar Borkhait. It was done in the year of 1734 AD. The next question is the Gohain Kamal Ali Road was constructed during the reign of option A Naranarayan, option B Parikshit Narayan, option C Bishwa Singha, and option D Raghudev. And the correct answer is option A Naranarayan. This was constructed under supervision of Gohain Kamal. He was stepbrother of Naranarayan and a kind of construction supervisor. He completed this work in the year 1547. He completed this work in the year 1547 AD. The next question is the first Ahom monarch to assume the Hindu title Swarganarayan was option A Shiva Singha, option B Pratap Singha, option C Jayadvaj Singha, and option D Sohonmung. And the correct answer is option D Sohonmung. He was born in the year 1497 and died in the year 1539. He was the first Ahom king to adopt the Hindu name or the title Swarganarayan in addition to Ahom name. The next question is the first rebellion against the British rule in Assam in 1828 was led by option A Piali Phukan, option B Maniram Diwan, option C Gomdhar Konwar, and option D Piali Barua. And the correct answer is option C Gomdhar Konwar. He was the prince of the Ahom royal family, and his colleague Dhananjay Borkhait and their followers rose the revolt against the British occupation of Assam. Option Question number 6. Who was the author of the book India Against Itself? Option A, Dr. Hiren Gohain. Option B, Dr. Mamoni Roysam Goswami. Option C, Homen Borgohain. And option D, Dr. Sanjeev Barua. And the correct answer is option D, Dr. Sanjeev Barua. He was born in the year 1951 in Shillong. He was the professor of political studies in Bard College in New York. His previous book is India Against Itself in 1999 and Durable Disorder in 2005. Durable Disorder. In 2005. Question number 7. The Dhodar Ali is constructed during the reign of option A, Rudra Singha, option B, Gadadhar Singha, option C, Pramato Singha, and option D, Shiva Singha. And the correct answer is option B, Gadadhar Singha. It was built in the year 1687 and is called Dhodar Ali because, according to the legends, the king mobilized dhots. D-H-O-S. Dhots means the lazy. To build it. The Joysagar tank was excavated under the reign of which of the following kings? Option A, Rudra Singha. Option B, Gadadhar Singha. Option C, Shiva Singha. And option D, Rajeshwar Singha. And the correct answer is option A, Rudra Singha. It was dug to commemorate his mother Sati Joymoti, wife of Gadapani, later king of Gadadhar Singha. And Gadadhar Singha was the ruler between 1681 to 1695. Question number 9. The district was separated from Assam was given to East Pakistan in the year 1947 was option A, Khulna, option B, Sylhet, option C, Chittagong, and option D, Shola Shahar. And the correct answer is option B, Sylhet. The next question is, in Assam, a source of hot spring is situated in option A, Nambo Reserve Forest, option B, Parshuram Kunda, option C, Orang Wildlife Sanctuary, and option D, Manas National Park. And the correct answer is option A, Nambo Reserve Forest. This area is declared as a wildlife sanctuary on 27 July 2000. It is situated about 25 kilometers from Golaghat. And about 65 kilometers from Kaziranga. Question number 11. Kamakya temple was rebuilt by which one of the following Koch king? Option A, Biswasingha. Option B, Raghudeva. Option C, Naranarayan. Option D, Puranaranarayan. And the correct answer is option C, Naranarayan. The ruins of the temple was said to have been discovered by Bishwasingha, the founder of Koch dynasty, who received at the site, but it was during the reign of his son Naranarayan reconstructed completed in the year 1565. Question number 12. Kanaklata Barua became a martyr of which one of the following national movement? Option A, Non-Cooperation Movement. Option B, Quit India Movement. Option C, Civil Disobedience Movement. And option D, Swadeshi Movement. And the correct answer is option B, Quit India Movement. She is also called Birbala and Shahid. She was an activist and also a AISF leader. She was shot dead by British police while leading a procession bearing the national flag during Quit India movement in the year 1942. The Patkai Bum range make the boundary between which of the two countries? Option A, India and Bhutan. Option B, India and China. Option C, India and Bangladesh. And option D, India and Burma. And the correct answer is option D, India and Burma. This hill is situated in northeastern border of now Myanmar, and this hill was created by the same tectonic process by which the Himalayan is corrected in the Mesozoic era. Question number 14. Which one of the following places in the confluence of three highly reversed pilgrimage of Hindu, Muslim and Buddhist? Option A, Parashuram Kunda. Option B, Dekai Khoa Namghar. Option C, Hajo. And option D, Borpeta. And the correct answer is option C, Hajo. Hajo is situated in northern bank of Brahmaputra. It is an ancient pilgrimage spot of three religions, Hindu, Muslim and Buddhism. The most famous attraction happened to be Hayagriva Mahadeva temple. The next question is Siang, joined by Lohit and Dibang, makes which of the following rivers? Option A, Jai Bharali. Option B, Dikhau. Option C, Subansiri. And option D, Brahmaputra. And the correct answer is option D, Brahmaputra. Question number 16 is which wildlife sanctuary of Assam boasts of the golden langur? Option A, Panidihing. Option B, Pobitora. Option C, Laikhoa. And option D, Chakrashila. And the correct answer is option D, Chakrashila. It is situated in the region of Kokrajhar and Dhubri district of Assam, and it is the only protected habitat of golden langur in India. Question number 17. Which one was the first capital of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? Option A, Gadgaon. Option B, Charaidio. Option C, Jorhat. And option D, Shivasagar. And the correct answer is option B, Charaidio. The literal meaning of this is shining city on the hills in Ahom language, and it was established in the year 1253. The area of Kaziranga National Park is approximately how much? Option A, 430 square kilometer. Option B, 500 square kilometer. Option C, 390 square kilometer. And option D, 720 square kilometer. And the correct answer is option A, 430 square kilometer. About 91% of world population of a particular animal species found in Kaziranga National Park is which one of the following? Option A, Asian hawk deer. Option B, pygmy hog. Option C, Asiatic wild buffalo. And option D, Sangai deer. And the correct answer is option B, pygmy hawk. Question number 20. Of the total production of muga, the golden silk in the world, Assam produces is about how much? Option A, 69%. Option B, 79%. Option C, 89%. And option D, 99%. And the correct answer is option D, 99%. The next question is, in which of the following national park or wildlife sanctuary the density of rhino population is the highest? Option A, Manas National Park. Option B, Kaziranga. Option C, Pobitora. And option D, Nameri. And the correct answer is option C, Pobitora. This is situated in the southern bank of Brahmaputra River in Morigao district and area of this is about 38.85 square kilometer. The highest concentration of forest in the state of Assam occurs in which district? Option A, Karbi Anglong district. Option B, Dima Hasao district. Option C, Gwalpada. And option D, Dhuburi. And the correct answer is Karbi Anglong district. Question number 23. Panidihing Bird Sanctuary is located in which one of the following district? Option A, Jorhat. Option B, Shivsagar. Option C, Golaghat. And option D, Dhemaji. And the correct answer is option B, Shivsagar. It was established in the year 1996. And total area is about 33.93 kilometer square. The next question is, who was the first martyr in 1942 revolution in Assam? Option A, Kanaklata Barua. Option B, Kamala Miri. Option C, Kushal Konwar. And option D, Maniram Dewan. And the correct answer is option C, Kushal Konwar. He was born in the year 1905 and he died in the year 1943. He was the member of political party Indian National Congress. The next question is, the Treaty of Rendezvous signed between East India Company and which of the following king? Option A, Ahom king. Option B, King of Burma. Option C, Kachari king. And option D, Sutia king. And the correct answer is option B, King of Burma. The first peasant uprising movement against the British was known as? Option A, Hulaguri Dhawa. Option B, Pathrughat Rajmal. Option C, Battle of Itakuli. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Fulaguri Dhawa. The first place of Memoria Rebellion was started in option A, 1749, option B, 1759, option C, 1769, and option D, 1779. And the correct answer is option C, 1769. It was started during the reign of Swargadiyo Lakshmi Singha and ended during Swargadiyo Kamleshwar Singha, and it continued up to 36 years from 1769 to 1805. The next question is, in which year Gopinath Bordoloi was arrested for taking part in freedom movement? Option A, 1915, option B 1918, option C 1920, and option D 1922. And the correct answer is option D 1922. The next question is, in addition to Assamese, which other language from the state is included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Mishing. Option B, Rabha. Option C, Tiwa. And option D, Bodo. And the correct answer is option D, Bodo. The rank of Assam in literacy among the states of India is option A, 5th, option B, 12th, option C, 16th, and option D, 26th. And the correct answer is option A, 5th. The literacy rate of Assam is 85.9%, and this data was presented by NSO in September 7th, 2020. That's all for today. Thank you so much.